Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple yet elegant Princess UA from Avatar: The Last Airbender. We're going to start off with a nice blank canvas. Go ahead and put on a foundation of your choosing, and then go ahead and put on concealer in the places where there might be more red or purple or yellow in your face. There's nothing wrong with those, but we just want to start off with that completely blank sheet of paper. Concealer can also be used as highlight, so in a second you'll see that I'm using it to highlight under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, just to emphasize the center of the face where we want everyone to look. For contour today, we're going to go all the way chiseling out all of the cheekbones, as well as making our jawline a little bit sharper and making our nose quite thin. And then in a second you'll see I tried to give her a button nose as well. The only part that matters about this is just to make sure you blend it out well. If you blend it out just crazy all over your face, it might look a little muddy, so you always want to go in the direction that the line is going. Like for your cheeks, you do not want to blend up and down. You want to go from your ear to your nose. And for the button nose, you want to put a little line right where the fleshy part of your nose meets the harder cartilage part. Blend that out and then put more highlight on the tip of your nose and the bridge of your nose to help emphasize that there's a shadow where a little button nose would curl up. A little bit under the lips to make them fuller. A little bit of bronzer. So since she is like surrounded by white hair, I'm putting on quite a bit. It's a trick that I like to call the 3, where you put it on your forehead, then your cheek, then under your chin. And for blush, we're going just on the sides of the cheek. We are avoiding the apples of the cheeks and going a little bit up to the corner of the eye. And the fun part about makeup, you can do whatever you want. I'm giving her freckles because I want to, and it's lovely. We're going for more of an ethereal look today, so I put down some normal highlight, and then I'm going in with a super sparkly, bright blue so that I get a little bit of color into her face. And you can do this with any color, just make sure that it matches your skin tone. I can use this bright blue because I'm so pale, but if you're a darker skin tone, make sure to test out darker colors to make sure they don't just create a line on your face. For eyeshadow, we are going in so simple, it's insane. I am using a millennial pink, and I am just putting it everywhere. And then I'm taking a lighter color than the pink. I happen to use white, and I put it on my lid, followed by the same color we put as the highlight on the lid to add a little bit of sparkle. And that's it. We're not even gonna put eyeliner on. The deal with this one though is that if you do not put on liquid cat eyeliner on top of your eye, to put on false eyelashes. You always want your eyes to be a little bit more emphasized. And then for the top of the eye, I put black gel liner in the shelf under your eyelashes, and then I put a light white tan on the waterline, which helps to open up your eye, give it more of an anime look. To change your brow color, today we're just going to go in with white, and you want to kind of go back and forth towards and against the grain just to color in every eyebrow, and then go ahead and brush it out with a little spoolie. And for lips, just make them nice and glossy. We're doing our outro here. Thank you guys so much for watching my UA makeup tutorial. She is actually one of my cosplay goals, but living in an actual legitimate desert really doesn't lend well to cosplaying as a northern water tribe goddess. Quite literally, yeah. I was going for more of an ethereal look today, and honestly, it's so simple, but I look so cute. Like, I didn't even do eyeliner. Sometimes just the most simple makeup looks can be the most beautiful, and obviously you guys can add whatever you want. You could think that this isn't enough, but I really like how it turned out. If you guys liked today's video, please like it, comment, subscribe, I'll leave myself out. But really, I do post once every Friday, either con or makeup related materials. I keep slapping my leg. And I hope to see you guys next week. Stan the moon. Good night.